I have arranged for you to meet my...
Introducing Sega Saturn.
Ha! Ha! Yeah! Ha! Huh. Piece of cake. Wait a second. It's Sonic! Where is that guy? Whew! Best time of my life. Not so fast! What? Who are you? You should know who I am. I'm Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Wait, what? No way, dude. I'm Sonic. No, I'm the real Sonic. No, shut up, fool. I'm the real Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm the real Sonic. I am, dude. Now shut up. I'm even 10 times faster than you are. Dude, shut up. I have the same speed. Dude, you don't even come up with a good boost. As a plus, your universe series suck. What? How dare you say that? I'm the best redesigned character that you could ever face because I got the Uncharted scarf, baby. Woohoo! Nigga, shut up. You're just a ripoff of Indiana Jones. Cause you use your inner beam like you're freaking Spider-Man. Dude, what are you talking about? I'm the best character that is. The best redesign ever. Plus, my TV series is really awesome. Nah, man. Sonic X is better. No, the Sonic Boom TV series is. Sonic X is better. No, Sonic Boom. The TV show is better because there's better graphics. Shut up, man. Sonic X is way better because the storylines make very much sense and it's based on the video game. No, shut up. Just shut up. The Sonic TV show is better because there's more comedy. Same with Sonic X, bitch. That's it. You're gonna pay for this. Ha! Oh, boy. You little... Take this, you little faker. Ha! Bastard. Ha! Ha! Son of a... Ha! Oh, shit. Ow! Ooh, my face. Ha! Ha! Ah! Ah! Ow! Take this! Ha! Piece of crap. Oh, that's gonna hurt for a week, huh? Ah! Move it or lose it, skin tone. Ha! I win. How does that taste? Piece of... Oh! Ah! Ow! How does that taste, jerk? Tastes better than I expected, but I'll never give up. Take this! I'm the best. Uppercut. Ow. Punch in the face. Oh, watch the hair. Ow, little bastard. I'm really getting sick and tired of your little crap. And dude, what's all with that sports tape? You look like a freaking mummy with that crap. Like what are you, freaking Ratchet and Clank? Like I said, I'm the best Sonic because I'm from Uncharted. Ha! Because I got the freaking scar. It's time that I end this. Any last words, Mr. the Hedgehog? Yeah, I got two things. Yeah, what is it then? I'm better. Ow! Behold the true power that I access that you don't have. What? Well, that's just not fair. What a ripoff. Now prepare to meet your doom. Ha! Behold the true power of my Chaos Land. My ultimate strength. Holy shit! Holy fuck! This can't be. No. I win, bitch. No way. See you later, loser. Fatality.